I can say we are meeting for the first time. Please introduce yourself because my viewer want to know about yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I am Jaya Tripathi. I hail from Gorakhpur. I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering, and basically I am homemaker as well as I give tuition up to class 10th students. And as far as my hobby is concerned, I love cooking, stitching, and reading in my spare time. That's all about me.
Uh, yeah, that's good, ma'am. So you are interested to reading.
Yeah.
Okay, so which kind of book you are reading, ma'am?
I like novels very much.
Okay,
Yeah. And this
yeah.
is
So
my first video. And this is my first video conversation.
wow, that's great. I'm too lucky.
Okay.
Yeah. So may I ask you question if you allow me?
Yeah.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Like
I
what you want to achieve?
I want to achieve fluency in my communication skill. Okay.
Okay,
My dream is that I just want to achieve my fluency in English as well communication skill also. Yeah,
okay,
that's why I am practicing nowadays in my spoken English.
okay. So when you found my SkyF ID?
Yeah, it is on the Skype group. It is in your ID is. I found your ID. Oh, there is. Hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I found it on Skype group, and
Okay.
that's why I connected to you.
Okay. So why you want to connect it to me, ma'am?
Actually, I connected many of women's. Okay, and just for practicing my English, just for practicing my English.
Okay. So, ma'am, you are give tuition. So related to English and another subject you give.
No, no, no. Actually, my specific subjects are physics, chemistry, and mathematics. But I teach all subjects up to class 10th.
Yeah.
Yes.
Up to class 10. Okay.
Yeah.
So
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है.
10th class child, so stubborn and jiddy type. So how you handle?
Yeah, I handle easily because I have experience. I have
Okay.
8 years experience in teaching.
Wow, that's good. So you are earlier teacher.
No, 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 no.
Okay,
I am
only
only
tuition.
I am only tuition teacher and I give tuition at home. My students come at home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah. So yeah, come to the another question. Okay. So sometimes you talk in English in your home and in this application you talk.
Uh, Only I talk in English application, Skype
In,
group.
okay.
Yes.
So sir, all, you talk, sir. I mean to say your husband sometimes.
Mostly I talk with my daughters. Okay,
Okay.
mostly. Most of the time I talk with my daughter. Okay.
Mhm.
And I, most of the time, I watch a conversational video on YouTube, from
Mhm.
YouTube. And I love to watch K drama series with English subtitle.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good because sometimes I make reels also because I want to go for new places. So at that times I explore new places. So sometimes I make reels because I love to making reels. And but depend on my mood, but I'm not interested to too much. And even every day, like whole day I engage my business and even YouTube. So I didn't have that much time when I have free time. So in this Sky app, some people approach me, you Lavanya, I want to talk. And I'm every day getting mail. So sometimes I connect with them related to ask, English related to question. Because, I love to talk stranger while I'm speaking stranger. So I'm feeling, you can say like over the moon types because you are in Gorakhpur and I'm in Chhattisgarh. So we explore, new things also and assume your city and you are assume my city. So I love to talk stranger. I don't know why because and ma'am, so you are in Gorakhpur. So in your place, what is the famous place in your Gorakhpur?
There is many favorite places, and but one of the most is Gorakhnath Temple. Gorakhnath Temple is very much famous in
Okay,
all over India. I can say
or
that.
no? Okay, so there are I think Prayagraj. You are in UP.
Yeah, I'm in UP, and
Mm-hmm.
I am in Gorakhpur. Prayagraj is also in UP.
Okay, yeah, because earlier Prayagraj, so there were you can say like Mela types. So you are a visited Prayagraj.
Yeah, I visited many times Prayagraj, but I didn't visit Kumbh Mela.
Okay, Kumbh Mela, yeah, Kumbh Mela. So there are so many, you can say like Pandit and all, and Puja Part types kind
Yes.
of. Even so, there are big Shiv temples. So that's why there were Kumbh Mela.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I that kind of I watched, but I watched only YouTube. I haven't visited in Prayagraj, but I want to really visit it because and even Mathura, I want to visit. There were big Ram, you can say what my
Krish-
ISKCON temple. Yeah, ISKCON temple and even Ram Mandir also. So
Krish-
that's yeah. So that's why I want to visit. Let's see what happens. So you
Okay.
like to visit. So you like to visit from explore new
Yeah,
places.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I like traveling very much.
Okay. Yeah. So how many places you are visited?
I have visited Delhi, Gurugram, Allahabad,
Okay.
Banaras, Jammu and
Mm,
Kashmir, Jammu, Vaishno Devi. Yeah,
okay.
Lucknow. That's all.
Yeah, that's good. So you are visited Vaishno Devi temple, big temple, and I have already I have my bucket list. Let's see, but I'm in only focusing my spoken English, and now I'm focusing only my business because I want to become a fluent speaker. Let's see what happens. 2 3 years, and definitely I visit your places also and Vaishno Devi because
Okay.
my parents visited Vaishno Devi temple even uh, Dehradun, Rishikesh. Yeah, so it's a hilly area and beautiful places. So I love to visit that kind of places because hilly area,
Mhm.
yeah, hilly area and mountain. I'd love to visit. I don't know because there are nature's peace.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
yeah, that's the reason.
I also want to visit Nainital, Dehradun, Mussoorie because I love nature very much.
Yeah, because when when I saw that kind of video, so you can say I'm imaging.
Yes, yes.
Course I'm in stay and what I do and I image on myself. because I love to, I love to enjoy on myself, and I am talking on myself while I'm talking myself, and even nowadays, I'm while I'm thinking in English, so at that time, so I'm think and I execute and I speak, because more you speak, so you better you can. So that kind of every day I practice on myself, and I connect with strangers sometimes audio call.
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पार्क में स्टंट्स मारने जाना है।
Sometimes video calls depend on person to person what is free in audio call and sometimes video calls. But I prefer only video call, because while we connect, video calls, so one to one conversation, and you speak more, and your eye contact also, and movement and even facial expression. So that's why I most of the time I prefer only video call.
Yeah, it's matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Yeah.
So how
Yeah.
I can say how's your life going on, ma'am?
Yeah, my life is going on good. Yeah.
Okay, so you have kids, so you have two kids and one kids.
I have two daughters. Elder one in class 11th and younger one is class 9th. Is in class 9th. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. But you look like you can say like one child you have types, but you have elder child like 11. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you
Yeah.
like yoga and exercise?
Yeah. I love exercise very much.
Okay, so you every day you doing exercise.
Yeah. Yoga. Yoga is my favorite exercise. I prefer yoga.
So it's
Mm.
online yoga and offline yoga. You want?
No. Offline. I can do
So you attend any classes and yourself?
for yoga.
Yes.
No. By watching Ramdev's video, I learned from uh, them and I do it myself.
Okay. So you follow
Yeah.
Ramdev Baba.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. But I do exercise only. Sometimes I practice yoga, but I don't know while I'm practice yoga, So I'm not capable. I think so. That's why because yoga it's too difficult.
No, yoga
Like,
keeps the body flexible. Yoga keeps the body flexible. Other exercises after sometimes body will I can say that uh, body gets in future some weights, but by
mhm.
yoga we can get flexibility in our body.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, our body maintain flexibility.
yeah, that's good. And sometimes I try yoga, but every day I do only exercise, like 40 minutes every day, and I consume healthy food, so it's okay.
In which
I can.
standard you are?
I'm in master, ma'am. I'm doing master degree.
In which subject?
Special educator. You heard about the special child?
Yeah.
Hello.
Listen, because the network issues. Yeah.
Yes. In this application network, I can say special child. You heard about special child?
Yeah. I listen. I heard. Okay.
Special educator.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
And what is your planning in New Year?
Okay, so my New Year planning. So I want to become a fluent speaker. That's my planning. That's it. As soon as possible, I achieved my fluency. Yeah, and I didn't
Yes.
have any.
Yeah, great, 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 great. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And you have another question, so please you ask. And if you allow me to wind up the session.
Ah. Okay, you can wind up this session.
Okay, so thank you so much you connecting with me, ma'am. I enjoy a lot this conversation. So I upload this video on my channel if you allow me.